Good day and welcome to our channel. We bring you a heartbreaking story that has shocked the University of Venda community and the entire region. A tragic incident unfolded on Friday, the 29th of August, at an off-campus student residence in Ngobela. A first-year student at the University of Venda was brutally stabbed in what is believed to be a case of gender-based violence. It is alleged that her boyfriend, a second-year student at the same institution, was responsible for the fatal stabbing. The incident occurred in a locked room, which security personnel had to forcibly open. Inside, they made the horrific discovery and found two knives at the same scene. Following the attack, the suspect reportedly attempted to take his own life by jumping from a second-floor window. He survived the fall and is currently in hospital under police guard. This tragic loss is a stark reminder of the violence that continues to affect youth people, especially women, across our communities. If you or someone you know is facing abuse, please seek help. Speak out. You are not alone.
All this because of me.
For more content, subscribe to our YouTube channel at V Pride Multimedia Studio. Like, ring the bell and share.